Hi there, Victoria from JSI here to show you how to assemble a basic wall cabinet. When opening the box, you just want to be careful to not scratch the inside of the cabinet. So we open each side first. And lift it. So now that our box is open, you just want to be sure to inspect every piece, and if you notice any damages, just be sure to contact your dealer. So starting with our assembly, we just want to take the piece of foam that's in the box and place it down. Next we're going to go with our face frame and put it right on top of that foam just to avoid scratching. We're going to apply our glue for the side panels right in here. We're going to take our side panel with the exposed end on the outside, line it up, and we're going to slide it right in. Making sure that that side panel is flush. I'm going to take the other side panel, same thing. Finished end is exposed. So now that our side panels are together, we're going to apply glue into the 3 grooves for the top and bottom panels. I'm going to take our bottom panel. We're going to push our sides together just so they're even. And we're just going to push that bottom panel down. If the side panels are even, you won't have to fight it as much. And we're going to repeat for the top panel. Now that we've got our top and bottom panel on, we're on to the back panel. Taking our back panel with the inside on top, and we're going to apply glue. We're going to stop about 3/4 of the way down so that when we slide it, the glue doesn't come out. We're now going to take our back panel, line it up with the side panels, and we're going to slide it right in. Make sure it's flush, and we're good. Okay, next we're going to take our hardware bag, and inside there's another bag with our L brackets. The L brackets have papers with adhesive attached to them to help you put them in place. So you're going to take off that paper, and we're going to put it in place, and we're going to press down. First, we just want to connect the L brackets to the face frame and the side panels. And then we're going to drill them into place. Now we're going to take 4 of our 1/2-inch flathead screws. We're going to start with the side panel first. And move on to the face frame. With the face frame, you want to go slowly and leave it at an angle so it does not crack the face frame. And we're going to repeat on this side. So next we're going to take our L bracket. We're going to hold the back panel and the side panel while taking off the paper, just so that it holds in place. We're going to take our 1/2" flathead screws, apply some pressure, and we're going to repeat on the other side. Now that we've secured our L brackets, to complete this part of the cabinet, we're going to take our 2 flathead 3/4" screws and screw in the back panel to the cabinet. And we're going to complete this process on the other side. Now we're going to take both of our hinges and attach them to the door. We want 2 of our 1/2" flathead screws, I'm just going to gently screw that right into the door and repeat with the same hinge. So after we've attached our hinges, we're going to determine if we want this cabinet door to open to the left or to the right. If we're going to have it open to the left, we want to be sure that the pre-drill holes are on the left-hand side. If we want it to open to the right, we're going to turn our cabinet over and have the pre-drill holes be on the right. Next, we're going to attach the hinge to the face frame using our round-headed screw. If you notice, there's 2 pre-drilled holes. We want the hinge to line up with the bottom one. And then we're going to move on to the bottom hinge. Next is installing our shelves. We're going to take our shelf pegs, choose the level that we want. So we either want to go at the bottom or up one higher. And we're going to install them all so that they're level. And once they're installed, we're going to take our shelf, make sure the finished side is hanging on the outside. I'm going to drop it into place and repeat with the next shelf. And our final step in assembling cabinet is our bumpers. We're going to take the bumper. We want it to be on the top corner, and we're going to press it in, and we're going to repeat with the bottom. And we've assembled our first wall cabinet.